The Eastern Cape province has indicated that over 169,000 people have been put in line or registered for the second phase of vaccination. Vaccine sites commence with the second phase of the rollout today in the province, and the elderly are encouraged to get the jab. The province has also indicated that they will have vaccine sites within a 5-kilometre radius in far-flung rural areas, making use of schools, community halls and clinics. Lerato Fekisi has more from Gqeberha.
While at Provincial Hospital in Gqeberha, vaccination for senior citizens is underway. This specific hospital plans to vaccinate 400 people per day in the first phase of its vaccine rollout. But the Eastern Cape has said that it wants to actually vaccinate 770,000 people at the end of July, which is the winter season. There have been obviously criticism in terms of the rollout of the vaccine for health workers, and we're hoping now with the senior citizens things will be done better. But let's now talk to someone who's here to vaccinate her exactly how she feels about the vaccination. She's currently going through her bit of information session, but let's hear from how she feels. Ma'am, you are here today to vaccinate. First, why did you decide to actually come and vaccinate amidst all that people are saying around the vaccine?
I think it's the right thing to do for everybody, considering the virus that's spreading so fast all over the world. I think everybody should vaccinate.
Were there any fears or anxieties that you had on your way here, driving here? What was going through your mind as you drove here today, knowing that you're coming to get what you call now this life-saving vaccine?
I was happy that something has come up for everybody, especially those who can't afford it. At least now they can also be protected from this terrible virus.
And then also, how was the process for you? Did you have to register for the vaccine, or did you just come here because you heard that the rollout is starting today?
There were teething problems, but we must understand every new venture does have teething problems, so we must just be patient.
And then also, what would your message be to other elderly citizens as to why must people come out and actually do the vaccination for themselves?
Well, if you don't want to spread if you have to get rid of the virus, one has to do this. And besides spreading it to other people, you must consider your family as well, because if you get it, the rest of the family gets it too. So think about the people that you are with all the time.
So you're not anxious at all? I saw the needle just right next to you. You're not anxious at all about that?
Sorry?
Are you anxious at all about the needle in your arm, or you just want to get it over and done with?
I want to get it over and done with, but I didn't know I'm getting the Pfizer one, so I have to come back again.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Well, that was a resident from here in Gqeberha speaking about how she's going to get the vaccine done. She's saying she is a bit nervous about it, but she's also very keen to get it. She was speaking about the importance of getting the vaccine, saying that with all the talks of a third wave, it is important that people do get the vaccine. She was also just appealing to other elderly people who have heard so many bad stereotypes about the vaccine, about the importance of actually vaccinating, ensuring that they're also keeping themselves safe. She said that she did register, and then she's now here to get the vaccine done. So she's a bit nervous, but above all, she wants to make sure that she keeps herself safe, keeps her family safe, keeps her loved ones safe, and make sure that they get this vaccine for the safety of her and her family. From us at Gqeberha and Provincial Hospital, and it's back to you in studio.